Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a bar graph in Google Sheet with standard deviations step by step. Open your Google spreadsheet, then select your data, example, insert tab, chart type, find bar chart, see this bar chart, stack bar chart, example use bar chart on customize series error bars type standard deviations, use title change title. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.